In this video, we'll be looking at some of the features of our expense management dashboard that comes with our EasyEXP365 employee expense management application. We'll be looking at report creation, line items, the ability to submit expense reports to workflow for routing and approval, filtering, as well as the ability to see the payment details directly from the underlying ERP or accounting system. So if we go into our application here and go into our processing queue, it'll open up the expense management dashboard. And you can see here, I have an existing report. I could edit these reports. I have expense items and automobile items that I could add directly to this report, as well as credit card. So I could edit any of the details. You can see here rules are being enforced as well. If I go back to this, I have the ability here to filter any of the statuses of previously either approved or under review reports. So on these reports that are approved complete, those are ones that I've already submitted that have integrated with the system. If I go into some of the details here, I could see the audit log associated to the report and the various reviewers who approved it, as well as any of the reviewer notes that were obtained as it was going through the workflow process. And I could, of course, drill in and see the details. The last tab you see here is actually the underlying ERP information of the transaction that was created ultimately when this expense report was approved, as well as the status of it. So whether or not it's been paid or not could all be seen from that transaction too. So you can see some of these are showing as processing. That means that it has not been paid. And if it has been paid, we could actually show a check number associated to it or an ACH transfer number. If I want to submit one that has not been submitted, I have the ability to click this icon, which will submit it for workflow such that it is going through now the approval process. In fact, if I update my filter here and show as under review, I will see that report now is going through a review cycle.